For over 20 years, Icon Technologies Limited has been rapidly growing into a leader in their industry. Specializing in thermoforming and rotational molding customized replacement parts for the recreational vehicle market, we pride ourselves in having the right part, right on time. Making a lasting impact on the industry is important to us, and with the integration of new technologies, we are able to get the parts our customers need faster than ever. Our commitment to customer satisfaction starts with having what our customers need. Our facilities house a huge selection of customized molds for common parts and hard-to-find legacy parts. Creating unit-specific parts, stylized body components, styled logos and trims, and OEM-matched colors painted in-house. For unique parts, we use new technologies to scan and create the part our customers are looking for. Cutting and printing our own packaging for each part allows us to save on space and maximize shipping and storage in our warehouse and for our dealers. At Icon, it is important to us that our customers know they can rely on us to have the part they need. Our warehouse space allows us to keep a large variety of parts stocked and ready to ship when needed. Our customer support team pride themselves on understanding and meeting our customers' needs. Located centrally in Canada, our reach spans all across North America.